Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Have you ever signed into Gmail on someone else's device and forgot to sign out? This video shows you how to remove your account remotely in less than a minute. So let's start. Open your Gmail application on your device. By opening the application on the homepage, click on your profile picture. After that, click on the Manage Your Google Account option in the drop-down menu. Then, on the next page, under the profile picture in the row, click on Security. And then also, look for the Manage All Devices option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This is where the magic happens. On the page itself, you can see how many devices you are registered on. All you have to do is select one of the devices and click on it. Then click on the Sing Out option, and that's it. Aries is automatically signed out of devices other than the one you're using. You are now in control. Your Gmail is no longer available on that other device. If you liked the video, please like and follow us for more videos like this about Gmail. And thanks for watching.